Greetings, 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 and welcome to another episode of Great American Survival. Today is a great day. I hope everybody's having a wonderful week. This week we've got a special review for you. Stick with us, we'll tell you all about it. Alright guys, well as you see, today we have the Braza from Bastion. Beautiful knife, very robust. I would definitely file this knife under a gentleman's carry. This knife is very well built, very solid. We'll tell you some more about it here. Comes in this really cool box, foam lined, wonderful little display. Just a beautiful knife. The handle are stainless steel, titanium coated. Very nice. The blade is D2 tool steel, as you see there. Very nice. The knife thickness is 0.5 inches. The blade thickness is 0.125. Very nice. Just a wonderful knife. Has a frame lock, which is just really well built. It's a one-piece designed. It's just nice. The belt clip is not reversible, but it is a right side tip-up design. The blade design is kind of a modified, I guess it's kind of a modified bullnose blade, maybe. Kind of clipped though. Very nice. The blade length, the overall length of the knife is 8.25 inches. The blade length is 3.75 inches. Very nice. Perfect knife. A little long, being 8 inches. There's probably a lot of places you can't carry this as an everyday carry. Closed length is 4.87 inches. Very nice. Very well built. And like I said, it is a 7.7 ounce knife. Really well built. Very robust. The knife is just ready to go to work. It does have some really nice ball bearings that make for a very smooth, easy action. The blade steel, like I said, is D2. D2, if you're not familiar with it, is a great blade. Has great edge retention and is not very easy, but it's easy to sharpen, and it holds a great blade. Holds a great edge. The knife is very elegant. It's very sleek. It's just a really nice knife. I've really enjoyed having it. It has been in my everyday carry. I've rotated it in and out, but it's just it's kind of a heavy knife, but it's so nice. It's so well built. It's beautiful. I mean, it really is. If you guys are looking for a quality everyday carry knife, and you're looking at around the $100 price point, the Braza from Bastion is definitely what you want to look at. This knife is awesome. The frame has this wonderful bevels where your fingers go, up here where the choil is, and a little bit back here where your lower fingers are. Kind of gives you a little bit of an edge to keep it from sliding out of your hand when you're choking up on it, as you see. It's just nice. It has a little chimping on the back, so when you're choking up, if you're carving or any type of tasking, very nice. Has a lanyard loop, and it's just a really well built quality knife. I hope you guys will check them out. I'll put the link down below to Bastion. Hope you guys are having a great week. Guys, another quality piece of gear, but remember, gear is only good if you know how to use it. Guys, get out there, enjoy yourself, enjoy nature, be prepared, stay safe. God bless. We'll see you soon.